You read the title right. I will give away $1 million in crypto by the end of this series. Want a chance to obtain this 1 million in crypto? Well, listen up. Hello everyone, my name is Jutin Al Ahmed. Firstly, I'd like to thank every subscriber. This video is my 100th subscriber video, my first huge milestone. So thank you very, very much. I hope you continue to enjoy watching my videos, and if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. Just so you're also aware, I've actually got another 2 channels, JBINZALA Clips for short form, just shorts basically, and my JBINZALA Philosophy, which is off topic as you already know. Anywho, let's get to the reason why you're actually here. I will be giving away $1 million worth in crypto, so that can be Bitcoin or USDT, whatever your preference is, once we meet the criteria, or I should say once you meet the criteria. What is the criteria, you may be asking? Well, this giveaway is going to be an incremental one, a series actually. It's going to be based on milestones of subscribers and followers that I receive. So once I reach 1,000, I will be announcing the winner. The winner will receive a Ledger Nano S Plus. As you can see on the screen right now, this is the retro gaming edition. This one's actually been unboxed in my previous videos, which you can watch. However, you will be receiving a brand new sealed Ledger Nano S Plus. Once I receive 1,000 subscribers, the next set of giveaway will be unlocked. With 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $100 in Bitcoin. As soon as I reach 10,000 subscribers, I will be announcing the 1,000 subscriber winner. Same as once I reach 100,000 subscribers, I will be giving away the 10,000 subscriber giveaway, which is $500 in Bitcoin. Once I reach 1 million subscribers, I will be giving away $5,000 in Bitcoin. Once I reach 10 million subscribers, I will be giving away $100,000 in Bitcoin. The big one, once I reach 25 million subscribers, I will be giving away $1 million in Bitcoin, or whatever your preference of crypto asset is. From the 100k subscriber mark, I will be inviting you personally to meet me, and I will do the transaction live, just so you can show everybody that you've received it, and just for the viewers. Now, you may be wondering, why 25 million subscribers before you give away $1 million in crypto assets? Well, the truth is, I am a Muslim, and I do not want to say anything which I won't commit to. Now, I'm saying 25 million subscribers because by that time, hopefully 1 million will be easily disposable, which I can give to my subscribers or my followers, and I can hopefully continue to do many more giveaways like this for everybody to benefit from. As you all already know my outtake on money, I don't really see money as something that's that important in life. I see it as something that enables you to live your best life. Now, that should hopefully be through righteous activities. So this is why I'm saying 25 million subscribers, because by this time I can hopefully guarantee that you will be receiving $1 million in crypto assets, unless obviously a calamity happens and I'm not in this world no more. So inshallah I am. So what are the rules? Well, it's pretty simple. Number 1, subscribe to JBINZALA. Don't forget to click that like button and the notification bell button, but subscription is mandatory. Comment on this video why you believe you deserve the Nano S Plus, because that's what's going to be given away on the 1,000 subscriber video. And put the hashtag let's break free, hashtag JBINZALA 100 sub, and hashtag JBINZALA 1 mil giveaway. Step 3, head over to X aka Twitter and follow me. Step 4, retweet why you believe you deserve the Ledger Nano S, and tag me. Also hashtag the same things. Let's break free. Hashtag JBINZALA 100 subs. Hashtag JBINZALA 1 mil giveaway. I've actually left templates in my description below, so you can copy and paste that and just replace the part where you will be putting in why you believe you deserve this. So I will be releasing a video once I reach 1,000 subscribers to announce the winner of the Ledger Nano S Plus. I will be announcing this also on all of my social media platforms, so do make sure you follow me on pretty much everything if you want the most up-to-date news, lol. We shall then begin the next milestone with the rules explained again. Sorry to interrupt this lovely video, but I wanted to mention, did you know about my website? Well, you do now. I have my NFT portfolio there, my crypto asset portfolio. In addition, my store. My store has my merch. As you can see, this is all designed by myself. In addition, my LUTs, which is complementary to my gear list. Now, if you wanted to create videos like this with similar quality, lol, you can check that all out. Anywho, let's go back to why you clicked on this video. Take care, bye bye. If it is in your destiny, you will win. So don't stress, don't overthink. The main thing is there will be other giveaways anyway, so do stay tuned. Just before you go, I did want to mention, if you're interested in learning more about crypto assets and the whole blockchain and technology within this field, well, I actually make content regarding crypto assets, tech, unboxings, cybersecurity with helpful guides on crypto. So do subscribe if you're interested in that itself, and don't forget to click that notification bell button because you will get notified as soon as I release a new video. Lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video, and take care. Bye bye.